Hey students, and we're going to go ahead and wrap this up with the bubble wand project. Here's a list of functions that we learned throughout pre-calculus and trigonometry, and I think that would be amazing if you could implement maybe one of these graphs. Oh, and just to kind of clarify, I know in the instructions it does say have at least one circle, at least one parabola, hyperbola, ellipse. It doesn't mean you only have to have one. If you want to put 5 circles, put 5 circles, and one ellipse, one ellipse. You want to put one hyperbola, but 10 parabolas? Heck, mix it up. Make the design cool. I don't care what you do, but I think it would even be better if you could incorporate some of these in there. Just remember though, if you're going to do a constraint, let's just say if I say 0 to pi, 2 pi obviously is going to be a full revolution. I could put it off at pi. I can put it off at pi divided by 2. I mean, there's different locations, but if you don't want to use those weird numbers, you're always welcome to just do 3.5. I don't know. It's obviously a little bit bigger than pi, as you can see. You can play around with these numbers. Remember their sign. If you want to change like how high it goes, how low it goes, you can do 4 in the front. This basically changes if it's upside down, how low it goes. If you want to change how fast it cycles, put a number in the front. Bigger the number kind of cycles it faster. Smaller the number slowly cycles the function. But play around with it. There's a sine curve. There's a cosine curve. There's a tangent curve. I think that would be cool on some of the bubble one projects. Again, just put that would be pi, negative pi to pi. Oops, I forgot to put the constraint in there to pi. Oh, actually, I guess I should do, what is that constraint there? Well, I don't know. I'll figure pi over 2. Sorry, I should have done pi over 2, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. That's okay. But you could try some of those. Natural log of x, again, you can move it up and down by putting a number on the outside. You can move it left and right by putting a number on the inside. You can change how fast it increases or decreases by putting a number in the front. Just different methods there. Again, I think that would be pretty cool. Yeah, that's just a log base 10. Absolute value, heck, that could be the top of your bubble wand or the bottom of it. Again, the absolute value, you can change it and move it down by putting the -4 on the outside. You can move it up by putting left and right by putting it there. Or you can make it skinnier or wider by whatever number you put in the front there. A smaller number makes it wider, bigger number makes it skinny. Skinnier there. Same thing with the square root. Again, you can move it up and down. That I moved it up. Put it on the inside, is going to move it left and right. -7, moved it right there. Play around with it. And then here's a third root. We've done lots of functions. In fact, we've practically covered like every type of function that you can imagine. So definitely have some fun with it. I think it would be cool if you could incorporate some of these functions in there. It's not mandatory. I'm just looking for the conic section, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, and circle. I have to think about which one's which there. But definitely try different ones. Here, let me just show the last one as an example there. All right. Well, take some time, have some fun with the project. If you have any questions or concerns, definitely email me or get back to me. Have a good day.